This is actually not what I expected. This is not what I have in mind, but I'm gonna create another cosplay. No, I'm gonna create another elf character. Well, cosplay elf character. Elf? No. I've got my things here beside me, and again, I wanted to create another elf cosplay. So, and yeah, if you've checked on my social media, that's at Lhitz Valencia on Instagram. You can see some of my pictures that I posted along with my airplane photos. Let's start. I'm gonna start with the primer. So for primer, I'm using Studio Perfect by NYX. I think it kind of helps on minimizing your pores, and you know, making the makeup stay longer in your face, stick longer in your face. And so, okay, first thing that you need to do before doing this, it's redundant. The first thing that you need to do and remember is to wash your face before putting any products on it, because it's more hygienic. So what I'm planning to do is to make an elf that looks like he has a half two-faced elf. So I'm gonna use a modeling clay or modeling wax to divide my face, not in equal parts, but maybe from here I'm gonna go all the way here. I'm not gonna divide my lips because I'm not really sure how it's gonna go. I haven't done that yet. Actually, I haven't done this yet on my face. If you can see on my Instagram account, I've practiced this on somebody's arm. The wound effects and stuff like that, that's what I'm gonna do on my face right now. That's what I'm gonna try on my face right now. And it's gonna be the first time that I'm doing this on my face. That's another reason why I didn't want to go live. I didn't want to do this live because that would be humiliating. Yeah. And the first live stream that I had was already a bit cringy. So I'm gonna use some hairnet to cover my hair because it's gonna get in the way of my face, and it would be difficult to, put makeup on my face with my hair on my face. Modeling wax by Mask World. I've already used this, so it's called Cine Wax by Mask World. So this is the material that I use in creating wounds and stuff on the face. So let's see if it's gonna work as well. I'm planning to do this long enough for me to put it across my face. Hello, my boyfriend's here.
Sorry,
he just woke up, so just disturbed me. I just woke up. He's kind of tired from work. I look like I've got a worm in my face. Crayolan Professional Makeup Sealer, this one. So typically, like the name implies, you can't see it. I don't know how YouTubers do this thing. There. It doesn't focus. I'll take off my lenses first. See, it's clear. So this is the scleral lens that I'll be using today. This is from Crazy Lab. This is a black scleral lens with prescription, of course. Look, I'm crying. See? Wasn't that bad. I've got here a case with my contact lens collection, well, not all of them. So I've got this case actually from YesStyle. If you're into quality products from premium brands across Asia, then you should go and check out YesStyle by visiting www.yesstyle.com, where you can also download the YesStyle app on Apple Store or Google Play and shop for beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and more on the go. Enjoy extra discounts by clicking on the link in the descriptions, or by using the code LONGOME, that's ILONGGOME, on your order. So it's a normal sized lens. faster. We're gonna start painting. So the paints that I'm gonna use now for this video is from Mask World. All of them are from Mask World. Look, the paint, I mean, the brush is also from Mask World. When I said we're gonna start painting, I lied. We're actually not kinda there yet. I just need a thin amount of clay to put under my eyes. It's gonna serve like, you know, eye bags. This one is a fake skin. I like this. You get to use this as well when you're creating wound effects. So I really like this because it's easy to apply and it's really easy to do. So while waiting for this side to dry up, yeah, this is eraser concealer from Maybelline. On the other side of my face, we're gonna do it like normal. First one is to get rid of the concealer. We already put a primer, so now we're putting on concealer. So for contour, we're gonna use Wonder Stick from NYX Cosmetics. So first one we're gonna do, I like this because it has the stick for contouring and for highlighting. So for the highlight, contour, skin effects are getting dry, so we can go ahead and kind of fill it up. I think I'm gonna take on my sclera lens at first because it's getting uncomfortable. We're gonna blend the makeup on the other side. So I've got my bit of face and I need blood. For making blood effects, I'll be using here Bloody Scab from Mask World. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna use the black aqua paint. Moisturize. So an elf is not an elf without ears. So I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. This is actually not what I expected. This is not what I have in mind, but can I put on my contact lenses now? I mean other contact lenses, clever. So, finished.
I wonder if you're the worst person I've ever met. At a certain age, it's hard to recall. But the truly vile do stand out through the years.